Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are 2 ways to train your curls: finger coiling or twisting strands of hair together. This is a personal preference. Experiment and do what works best for you. I usually leave the deep conditioner in my hair for 45 to 60 minutes. I found that it is best for me to use a protein treatment.
Take our lead.
You can't turn truly straight hair into wavy or curly hair using natural methods. The same is true of wavy hair. If your hair is truly just wavy, you can't just make it curly naturally. There's nothing wrong with using a curling iron or perming your hair if you have straight hair and want wavy hair.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here's how to make straight hair curly. Use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. Strengthen and protect your hair with a leave-in conditioner. Air dry or diffuse wet hair. Use a curling iron on stubbornly straight strands. Try a no-heat curling method. Add volume and texture with a sea salt spray.
Let's help you make your mark.
An excellent way to make your wavy hair look curlier is by scrunching. You can achieve better results by scrunching your hair with your towel when the hair is wet or after getting out of the shower. Besides, scrunching your hair with your styling products or hot iron tool will help make the curls last longer.
Take our lead.
If you want to turn your waves into coils, you can do so by finger coiling your hair while it's wet and allowing them to dry that way. Try pin curls. Another way to get coils is to create them with pin curls. Use curl activators or enhancers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.